right, gang, here's the deal. So I just got the RollnJack for the Jeep Wrangler. I have had my Jeep for a year. I've taken the top off once. I probably don't even really use the thing, to be honest with you. I think I'm at 2,500 miles for the year. I don't have to drive anywhere, really do anything anyway, but gosh, it's a Jeep. Why wouldn't you take the top off, right? So the one time I took it off, my wife and I tried it. The thing is a beast. I have a four-door, so it's super heavy. Moving the thing around, not easy. When you take it off and then you put it on the ground, and wherever you put it, it might be in the way. And I got blankets and just trying to protect it. It was stupid. Okay, so I've shied away from even taking the thing off since. Those of you that have had Jeeps for a while, you know all about calling up your friends because the thing is so dang heavy, trying to get them to help you take it off, and then when you put it back on, it's a mess, right? So I've been looking for a while. There's like two main players out there, top lifts, and there's this RollnJack that kind of seems like it sort of came out of nowhere. It looks like it was a Kickstarter at some point. And I don't know if it's COVID, the supply chain, whatever. Seems like it's hit or miss when they have it in stock on Amazon, but it's Amazon Prime. So great thing about that, obviously, is the shipping is free. So price point's great from that standpoint, at least compared to competitors. I'd love for it to be a lot cheaper than it is. It's $750. It's definitely not cheap. But anyway, making this video so you can kind of see what my experience is with it so far. And I'd say so far, so good. So I've got a quick time lapse. You saw it did not take 10 or 15 minutes, whatever the company claims. If I were to rate this on a 5-star scale, I might ding them a star because it took me 30 plus minutes to do. Still quick, right? Super quick, 30 minutes to unbox the thing, completely put it together and be done. But a little disappointed they claim I think it says 10 minutes or something like that. So anyway, once it's all done, honestly, this thing is bulletproof, built fantastic. It's clearly built to last. Probably I'll give this to my grandkids one day when they're riding around in their Jeeps, for goodness sake. The thing looks fantastic. It's this, powder coated metal. Think black might have been better, but I guess they probably went that way because the scratches show easier on black. But still, you're going to tell that it's dirty, but that's all right. Generally speaking, what are you going to do, right? It's in your garage. You didn't buy it to look sexy. You just bought it to take the top off on your own, and it works. So like I said, it took me about 35 minutes to put together, but the thing is solid. Casters are great, moves easy. I have a coated garage floor. And so the first time I put it under my Jeep top, it rolled very easy. Not sure about folks that have to move it on like brick or anything like that, but as far as like a coated concrete floor, mine worked fantastic. The crank does take a little bit of time to, get up and down on its own, but again, at this point, what are we talking about, given that you can do it by yourself? So all in all, I'd say give this thing a 5-star rating, 100%. They just need to change their advertisement that it takes 30 minutes, not 10 or 15 to get done. Other than that, I highly recommend this thing if you guys are taking your top off on your Jeep at all. Definitely go for it. I know that they sent out a note saying that prices were increasing on their next shipment. So if you're thinking about getting it, you better get it now before they run out on Amazon.